Arnamel.
Okay. Is a lot of fellow catch up a okay, then I could worry.
Good time to refute Clio. You failed matric, Corporal Panay.
Oh, Ivan.
That time I'm on my second degree. You are refute matric.
No, when you got a try, when
I will pray for you, my brother. I hope you heal from whatever you are going through. I want Monaro survival abortion. What's his name? But Nyambo said 24. But about survive abortion by behavior so.
What did you get?
Yeah, survival abortion. That's why I live bitter. They tried to kill him, he survived. That's why you're bitter, my brother. How can you swear at me? First of all, I didn't fail matric. Because I wouldn't have gone through university twice. But anyway, how can I fail matric and it upset you? I'm supposed to be upset.
Yes.
Why are you upset?
Why?
That's an abortion survivor, that one. I mean, come on. Anyway, Spana.
I call.
I'm going to do this so you don't hear much because abortion survivors also tend to steal songs. Okay.